Hello and welcome to our today's lesson. Today I want to talk about saying the time. How can you say the time in English? You can use three prepositions here. In, on, at. When we can use in? We can use in with evening, year, months, morning and afternoon. As an example, in the evening in 2026. In January and after. The second one is on. We use on with days of the week, year with a date, months with a date and weekends. On Sunday, on May 22nd, 2022, on January 15, on weekends. At, we use at with hours, night, noon, lunch and midnight. As an example, at 2:30, at night, at lunchtime, at midnight. Thank you so much for watching this video.